Good afternoon, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this weekend. Today is Friday, and I thought we learn a little bit about the Native American zodiac system relating to our birthday spirit animal. This system has two dates. One relates to the northern hemisphere and one to the southern hemisphere. I will give you both dates so you can better find out what your birthday spirit animal is. This reading now is for Cancer. Welcome, Cancer. When your birthday is either June 21st to July 22nd or December 22nd to January 19th, then your birthday spirit animal is the woodpecker. And the woodpecker appears during a strong sun season. The woodpecker is noted for looking for insects in the tree bark and also for pecking and for chiseling away at the trees to build nests. The woodpecker could be said to be a solitary bird, but can also be found in pairs. If the woodpecker is your birthday spirit animal, then you are intelligent and you have a drive to accomplish things. The woodpecker guides you to get into rhythm, to dig yourself into work that needs to be done, and teaches you to be selective when picking your company to spend some time with. That was the reading for you, Cancer. Thank you for listening. I wish you a wonderful day today. I wish you a joyous weekend. I'm sending love out. Take care and goodbye.